In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block your Quora account from appearing in Google search. This is really helpful if you care about your privacy and don't want your Quora profile to show up when someone searches your name online. First, open your browser and go to the Quora website. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to hide from search engines. If you use more than one account, double check you're in the right one before you change any settings. Once you're on your Quora dashboard, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture or a small icon representing your account. Click on that. This opens a drop-down menu that gives you access to your account-related options. In that drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Settings and click it. This is where Quora stores all of your account, notification, and privacy controls. It might take a second to load, but once it does, you'll see a menu or list of different sections along the side of the page. From those sections, find the one called Privacy and click on it. The Privacy section is where you control how visible your activity and your profile are, both inside Quora and on external search engines like Google. On the Privacy page, scroll until you see an option related to search engines. It will say something like, "Allow search engines to index your name," or something very similar. Next to this line, there will be a toggle switch. Right now, if your profile appears in Google, this toggle is probably turned on. To stop search engines from listing your Quora profile, click the toggle to turn it off. When it's off, it usually changes color or moves to the opposite side, indicating that search engines are no longer allowed to index your name from Quora. Once you flip this switch, your setting is saved automatically. You don't have to click a separate save button. However, keep in mind that Google and other search engines don't update instantly. It may take several days, or sometimes a few weeks, for your profile to fully disappear from search results as they recrawl and refresh their indexes. And that's it. By adjusting this single privacy setting, you've told Quora not to let search engines index your name, which is a simple but powerful step toward protecting your online privacy.